Hi, I am Pragmatic, the kangaroo. We will now see a simple recipe for the 32nd week of pregnancy in this video. In the 32nd week, it is important to take foods that are rich in antioxidants. Antioxidants help protect cells from oxidative stress by neutralizing harmful molecules called free radicals. It supports heart health, helping to maintain proper blood pressure and circulation during pregnancy. Herbal tea. Ingredients: tea powder, 2 teaspoons, cardamom, 1 number, ginger, 1 inch, mint, 5 leaves, tulsi, 3 leaves, turmeric powder, 1 pinch, honey, optional, water, 2 cups. Herbal tea. For the 32nd week, let us see how to make this. Boil 2 cups of water in a pan and add tea powder, crush cardamom, ginger, mint leaves and add to boiling tea water. Boil for 5 to 6 minutes, then add tulsi leaves and turmeric powder. Allow it to boil for 1 minute. Strain the tea into cups. Add honey, optional, and serve hot. Herbal tea. Herbal teas have calming properties, which can help reduce stress and promote relaxation during pregnancy. It contributes to daily fluid intake, helping to prevent dehydration, which is important during pregnancy. And then, hope you liked the 32nd week pregnancy recipe video from Pragmatic. Pragmatic, nurturing pregnancy and beyond.